In a groundbreaking announcement, Admiral James Kilby, Vice Chief of Naval Operations, revealed a significant milestone for U.S. Navy aviation. During his address at the Surface Navy Association's annual symposium, Admiral Kilby confirmed that a U.S. Navy MH-60R Romeo Seahawk helicopter deployed to the Red Sea had successfully shot down a drone operated by Houthi militants. This marks the first time in history that a U.S. Navy helicopter has engaged and downed an enemy UAV in flight. The MH-60R Seahawk, a multi-role maritime helicopter, played a pivotal role in this historic operation. Known for its capabilities in anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, and reconnaissance, the Seahawk is equipped with advanced sensors and weapons systems. It has now proven itself effective in counter-drone operations, showing the growing role of naval forces in dealing with new and emerging threats. While the exact type of drone and the method used to bring it down remain undisclosed, Admiral Kilby hinted at the use of a little bit of an unconventional system. This suggests that the Seahawk's crew deployed advanced or non-traditional technologies to engage the UAV. The helicopter's radar system, including the APS-153 multi-mode radar, would have been essential in detecting and tracking the drone, while its armament options like Hellfire missiles and machine guns made it a formidable force in neutralizing airborne threats. The Houthi rebels have increasingly used drones to target military assets and civilian shipping in the Red Sea, a vital global trade route. This highlights the growing importance of counter-drone capabilities for maritime security. The successful shoot-down of the Houthi UAV is more than just a tactical victory. It's a significant step in the U.S. Navy's evolving approach to countering drone threats. This achievement also underscores the broader changes taking place in modern warfare. As drones become more prevalent, naval forces are adapting to protect critical infrastructure and maintain security in contested regions. The ability to counter UAVs is now an essential part of naval operations, and the success of the Seahawk mission in the Red Sea demonstrates the Navy's readiness to face these new challenges head-on. As drone technology continues to evolve, naval forces worldwide will likely rely on a mix of traditional and innovative systems to detect, track, and neutralize UAVs. The Red Sea operation is a clear example of how the U.S. Navy is staying ahead of emerging threats and ensuring the safety of vital maritime routes.